What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nvidia Legend123 and today we are unboxing a gaming PC. It will be my first time building a PC and I cannot wait to be building my first own PC. Here we have all the parts to make the ultimate gaming PC. Nice AIO. So let's get right into it. So first of all we have the Intel Core i7-12700K. Very nice box. Next up we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB RS. This is DDR4 memory. Powering this PC is the Clef M.2 SSD. It is a 1TB SSD. A Galax keyboard. A RTX 3060 graphics card. An Arctic liquid freezer to 240A RGB. A MSI Pro Z690A Wi-Fi DDR4 motherboard. And lastly, powering this rig is an EVGA 850W gold power supply with 80+ certification. Let's do this! To start off the build, we unbox the motherboard first. This motherboard supports the latest Intel Core i7 12th Gen CPU. Now we take out the motherboard from the packaging. After that, we open the CPU box itself. We take out the CPU cover to protect the pins from bending.
So the processor follow the pin.
Next up, we have the M.2 NVMe SSD by Clef. Opening the SSD cover. And we will place the SSD inside the motherboard. Last but not least is the Corsair Vengeance RAM. They are both DDR4 RAM.
First and third.
The RAM has to be kept in there slowly or else the pins would break. This is the motherboard arrangement for now.
So put aside first. So we take a case.
This is the case we are going to be using. A Masterbox MB520 ARGB.
So remove the
Oh, looks very nice, sir. Looks very nice.
Yeah.
We are now opening the case of the PC.
So we must move off the tempered glass and the behind the steel.
Inside are 3 RGB fans and 1 rear fan. There are a lot of wires on the PC. This is a really nice motherboard. We are now placing the I/O shield in the case.
Okay, then we need to install the IO seal.
Placing the motherboard into the case.
Install the motherboard to the case.
All the screws are in place. We have the 860 watt EVGA power supply with 80 plus certification. This power supply is modular, so we can connect this power supply to different motherboards. PCIe connections there. Plugging in the CPU power supply cable. Unboxing the liquid freezer liquid 240 ARGB AIO. Here it is. This is the Arctic AIO cooler with RGB functionality. Plugging in the AIO cooler. Now we are going to mount it into the case. Here we are going to apply our thermal paste on the Intel CPU.
More heat dissipation.
Yeah. So it's in.
We are placing the AIO cooler on the CPU. Plugging the AIO head into the motherboard. This is what the motherboard looks like after wiring the cables. Next up, we have the 850 watt power supply for the PC. Currently, we are plugging in different power cables into the PSU. After this, we are going to be installing the best part possible. Let's get to the next part, shall we? Right, for our most exciting part, the GPU. This is the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Ti GPU. Here we have the GPU itself. Here it is.
Okay.
It was time to place the GPU in the motherboard. After plugging in the GPU, power and data cable,
show it all
it was
down.
time to fire up the PC.
Use some.
When the PC boot up,
First boot. Which monitor? Why got liquid?
Okay, cool. Water run.
so it was the AI.
Need to pump.
So excited to see the first boot out of the PC.
So the next we install.
Why suddenly turn off?
First boot.
Hey.
Oh, we got TV. Yeah.
就是两片哦。
The PC running in boot, Windows 10 installer. Just check out the PC itself. Thank you guys for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on it. I will see you next time.